Haven't we?
This is true. Have you noticed we started talking to ourselves like we're talking to the camera as well? It's the amount of videos.
Video.
I keep moving the flap, so we best start.
Hello, I'm Darren.
And I'm Debbie.
And welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something a little bit different.
A little bit extra.
Yeah. When we bought our bit previously, got the Cures and Curses box.
Yeah.
And we went back on there and we ordered the Day of the Dead one. And when we did that, we also ordered some bits from their shop.
It seemed rude not to, really.
Yeah. They've been waiting for one item from it, so we'll wait for it to deliver it all at the same time.
I mean, the person you dealt with was really friendly and everything.
That's right,
so nice and friendly, got back to us straight away. What more can you ask?
I think it's just a couple running it, so yeah. So yeah, we've ordered some bits.
Yeah.
So this is our haul from Cures and Curses even.
Yes, I know, I'm playing with the box because every time I squeeze in the sides, it makes the flap open. Right, now I've finished being a child for 3 seconds. Doesn't last long.
Right, what we got?
We have got wax melt rune stones. Now there are different scents with this. This one is Spring Meadows.
Yes.
So
Because we've done.
we've got one of each and seen
we
what
bought one of each
we
for
like
each
the
scent.
sniffle.
Yeah, we bought one of each for each scent just to see what they smell like. Because there are loads of different scents.
I'm going to have to cost that bit up there. Look, there we go.
That's
and
sealed up,
I love the fact these bags seal.
Yes.
Oh, hey, what one was that again? Spring Meadows. I'll go with that. Right, I haven't seen it, so if you can dagger it out.
A runestone.
It is a runestone. The reason I'm not touching completely is because...
Stay on my hand.
I know, you
Jesus
look like
Christ.
you've been covered in gold. Gold, I tell you.
Gold finger.
And those of you who have watched a few of these know by now, I have an allergy to gold. It brings me out.
It's not going to be
rash,
real gold.
It makes me itch. Yes, I know that, but I don't.
Put it up.
No.
Yeah. Fucking stay at that. They're going to stay at that. Come on.
He's a lucky pup.
Right.
Oh,
I'm going to grab some wet wipes.
boy, you've got some more to do.
Yeah, well.
Really precious, aren't they? Right, if I whip the top off of this one. Muscle, Debbie.
She's got the big muscle, Debbie.
Right. Believe it or not, we are like this in real life. This one looks like I've tried to chew it.
This is real life.
You know what I mean. We do sing at each other badly. I mean, I knew really when he didn't go running for his life. You know. Right. This one is another wax melt rune stone.
Yeah.
And unless I say otherwise, it is not changed. This is sage. Ooh. Does smell quite leafy.
But it will be. It's sagey, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Right. Oh, sigh.
Right. There you go.
In case you don't know, I've not actually used a wax melt yet. I've never used.
No, we're going to grab them out. We've got burners.
We've got burners, and I'm quite looking forward to that. Oh, I'm such a person of worry. Right. Runestone again. Brimstone.
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 Fire and brimstone.
I know, it sort of brings up the idea of dragons and glowing coals for some reason. Actually, there is a sort of... I don't really know... Yeah,
it's a... It's like a burny sort of smell.
This one would be quite good if you were trying to get rid of demons. Oh, it's a lovely one.
I can't remember what it is.
No, Darren tried learning about them.
No, I didn't try learning about it. I used to be able to read and write in runes when I was a kid. When I was at school.
Fair enough.
But I left school in 1990. So it's 31 years ago. I'm a bit rusty.
Right, no, that's that one.
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
Another runestone one, and this one's just called Dark, which is cedarwood, neroli, cinnamon, and mandarin. In actual fact, right, okay, just to go back on myself here.
Alright.
Brimstone is rosewood, neroli, cinnamon, and myrrh. Sage is sage, clary sage, viva, and lang lang.
Yeah.
And spring meadows is vanilla, chamomile, and lavender. Right, so back to dark, which, as I said, was cedarwood, neroli, cinnamon, and mandarin. It just occurred to me that I hadn't been reading out what they actually were. Oh no, slacking. I know. That's nice. You can smell the mandarin actually. It's been taken back a little bit with the cinnamon.
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, it's the arrow.
Yes.
I mean, they're beautiful, aren't they, runes? I mean, you know, you can get different wax melts from them. So, you know.
We got some in our last box, which was
tombstones.
Yeah.
Oh, massive.
Christ,
I mean, you'd have to cut them, I would think, because I certainly haven't got a big enough burner for that.
No.
Right, next one is runestone again, and it's woodland, which is cedarwood, black pepper, thyme, and lavender. He's getting himself covered, you know.
I'm getting absolutely covered in it. Look, I glow.
Of course you glow, darling.
I glisten. I'm turning into a sparkly vampire. Oh dear.
Alright, Ed. Right, cedarwood, black pepper, thyme, and lavender.
That's not bad.
No, it's not. We got most of them. I think we got all the runestone ones, but some of the other ones that we had ordered, I think we ordered anyway.
Yeah, different ones, didn't we?
Yeah, we didn't get all of them because that would have been way too much money.
Yeah, we only got scents that we didn't have for something else.
Right, this one is Cooling Wind, which is eucalyptus, tea tree, and peppermint.
Oh, this will be good for the old nose. This will be good for the nose, this one will.
So this is one I've been looking forward to, and the bag didn't open properly, so I'm going to have to cut across. Slay. It's the anticipation, people.
Anticipation.
Right. So again, this is Cooling Wind. Oh, it's like snorting a peppermint.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that'll clear your sinuses. Oh, it smells a bit like Vicks as well. That'd be the eucalyptus.
That's lovely, I like that. I used to like sniffing Vicks. English mustard, Coleman's only. And Marmite.
Yeah, strange and unusual child.
Well, at least I wasn't like my brother, he sniffed everything before he ate it. And if he picked something up and sniffed it, which would always entice him sticking it on his nose. Look, quite a few kids do that. And then putting it back down again. My mum used to follow behind him when we went to buffets and things because it just didn't look good. Right.
Right.
I could see jars.
Yeah, right.
Lots of little
a sec.
jars.
Just wipe the gold off my hands.
Look. Lid's loose. Right. Hopefully none of these have come.
Yeah.
Oh, something has, because there's lots of dust.
Dust. Alright. There's the top.
I think
it's quite nice.
Grab it by the jar, so yeah.
There's sage.
Oh, look at that one is chamomile.
There's that one, and chamomile.
These lids are not the strongest in the world. You might want to put a bit of tape on them to stop them turning in the thingy. Mugwort. Thank you.
And yeah, there's the same bit on the top, and
Oh,
Mugwort.
yeah, I can see.
That was our full.
That was our full. So the stuff I can see in there, hopefully that is just the one that's come undone. So I noticed a lot of these lids are a bit loose. Yeah, we'll come back to that.
We'll leave that at the moment and pour it in.
Right. Burdock root. Good grief.
Right. Burdock root.
Ooh. Oof.
Hoof.
Oof. Valerian root.
Valerian root.
So I'm going to twist it, and a lot of them was pulling off, so it's a wonder really that any of them stayed on. That smells like dried grass in the sun. That does. It's catmint.
Catmint.
Which is.
Does that be?
That's got to be catnip, isn't it?
Catnip, isn't it?
It's obviously another name for it. It does, because we had one for our. Oh my days! Yes, there's definitely a good half jar full of vein. Right, hibiscus. This one is. Oh,
Right. Hibiscus.
Many.
Right.
This is going to be fun. Hang on, I'm gonna.
Easy.
Right, bear with us. We will be back.
Christ, there's a lot.
That is, isn't it? That is rather a lot has come out of there. We will show the viewers what we mean. Right. So.
There you go.
That is rather a lot.
Looks like a roll up.
Right. Right. So, as if by half of the jar wasn't missing, this is vervain, and Darren did a pretty good job actually, I must say, of getting stuff. Although we have got vervain everywhere, which on the upside means that we cannot be. Mind you, I don't go out to meet any vampires.
There we go. Vervain.
I mean, I don't know whether Darren's shown you the top of the lids.
I have done this.
But they're
2, 4, 6, 8.
Gorgeous.
Yes, we've got 8 of them.
Right. Slightly out of order because
that looks like a larger one than the other one. Anyway, the one we got in the box.
You've got to have a big one. It's a higher. Oh, higher.
Hiya.
It is a big one. I don't know whether it's
no,
bigger.
size.
I don't think so. Yeah. And it's the same.
Washing cold water.
Right. Ready, steady.
Okay.
There. Well,
It's about the same size.
I think that is absolutely ruddy gorgeous.
Yeah.
And it's not a devil's sign, it's a protection symbol.
Yeah.
And to be perfectly honest, you know, even if you think it's just a nice pattern, just don't hate for the sake of it, because there's just no point. And it's not good for you.
Yeah. Alright, what have we got?
Tombstone wax melt.
Jesus Christ, is there only one in there?
No, there's
3.
love,
Alright.
happiness, protection.
Oh, because they're different colours.
Different colours. So what I'll do,
Alright.
I'll get Darren to whip one out, and as he shows it to you, he'll show it to me quickly first, so I can see what it is, and I can tell you what it is and what's in it. What it is sniffing of.
Not about what it is.
Right. Dun dun dun. Oh. Right.
Right. Pink.
Pink one first. Oh, feet.
Oh. Yeah.
Talcum powder probably, actually, because that's some reason
It's very
I
soft
always.
as
Yeah. It would be as well. Right, scent is Love Spell, which you can see is pink. It's got
You can see all the stuff in it, yeah.
Rose, peppermint, and bergamot.
Bit of rose, you can smell on that. You can see it all inside it.
Yeah. I mean, again, they're big. I'd probably cut that into either 4 or 6.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Right, the next one, if you grab out, will be the orange one.
The next one is the orange one.
And right, that one is Happiness Spell, and it's grapefruit, bergamot, blood orange, and rosewood.
Alright.
That smells really nice and zesty, actually, to be fair. I am going to have to get the other 3 on a order at some point, just to see what they're like. Right, is the black one, and that is gorgeous. That is really gorgeous, actually.
Here lies.
It's the protection spell, and it's clove, frankincense, bergamot, and thyme.
It says here lies.
But you, on top of that, you can get positivity, health, and anxiety. The only reason I didn't get them was because lavender was involved, but I didn't realise that I'd got other ones with lavender involved, and you can't actually smell the lavender. No. So I will be ordering those 3 when I next place an order with them. Because, you know.
Right. And these should be mine.
These are yours, I think, because that's all that's left is your ones in there.
Possibly. Oh, in there, yeah.
Yeah. Right, so what I will do is pass them out to you, and then you can do the reading, and you can have a sniff, I can have a sniff, and we'll all have a sniff.
These are beard oils. There we are. This one is Black Blood. A complex infusion of blood orange, mandarin and rosewood, blended with jojoba and argan oils to stimulate beard growth and strengthen hair.
Let's have a whiff then. The hamsters love you having a beard. They always hope for food.
Oh, not too deeply.
Oh, it's nice though. You wouldn't put a lot on though, love.
No.
But it, I mean, you can imagine it'd be quite nice to actually, you know.
You can have a shave down the side.
Yes, because
it's starting to go out down the sides.
Yeah.
It may make it grow strong enough so I can grow the centre bit out. Full moon.
Could you guess?
You can tell what it is yet. Full moon. A woody infusion of cedar wood and clove designed to hydrate your skin and hair, improve beard growth, and keep your beard luscious and smooth.
Ooh. Well, Evala will love it. That she doesn't like it when you poke one of your ears up her nose. To be fair, she sticks her nose in it. Oh, I quite like that. That's quite woody. That's quite musky, actually. Can't really do it.
Vampire. Blended with clary sage, argan and jojoba oils, known to stimulate the growth of healthier, stronger hair, while eliminating and preventing the production of excess natural oils. This beard oil is the perfect combination or companion to keep your beard smooth.
Do you reckon they've got one that says, this smells really great, but unfortunately all your beard will fall out?
Yeah.
Because they all promote... That's nice. It's probably my favourite so far.
This promotes long, healthy beard growth, but it smells like you've pulled out of a compost patch.
It smells
no, that's one you got.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because they have to be so. Mind you, smell is different anyway to each of us.
Smells different to each person when it goes on because you've got your different scents, your own personal scents.
That's right.
The Fiend. Infused with myrrh, this beard oil is naturally antibacterial and helps to speed the healing of nicks and cuts from trimming your beard. Finished with eucalyptus to promote beard growth.
That kind of handy.
That's nice.
They all seem to have the same undercurrent. It's got to be the beard oil.
That's got to be the beard growth stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, I think this is your last one on this.
Yeah.
The Wraith. Spiced with frankincense, used for centuries in whatever that is, medicine, and blended with woody notes of pine and neroli. This beard oil promotes growth and leaves your skin feeling soft.
If it promotes growth, and you're putting it on your your beard.
Oh, that's quite woody.
That is very woody, actually. I'm just going to see if I can read what word you were after.
I doubt very much you can even read it.
Mandrake.
No. No.
Medicine, it looks
No,
like.
it doesn't. It's AYUV.
Oh.
No, AYURVEDIC. Ayurvedic.
Yeah, he's right. I mean, that is too small to read. I could probably read it, but it is too little.
Yeah.
That was everything.
Yeah, that was everything. I'm quite happy with that.
So am I. Yeah.
It's very good stuff. So the only thing I would say is the lids.
The
lids need some sort of better attachment because they're very.
To be fair, I mean, I understand it doesn't take anything to
They only just tack on.
And apart from one, all of them were loose. And so one of them came completely off. We were lucky it was just one.
Yeah, because
but
we could just
the
put it
only
in
thing
there.
I'd suggest is maybe a bit of tape either side of it. Nobody wants to use it really, but it just holds it on, and it's better that than, can you imagine if we'd have got the whole lot and most of the content was out, it would ruin the entire thing.
Yeah.
So I think there's nothing wrong with using jars like that, but you do have to use some sort of sticky bit.
Yeah, make sure they attach in properly.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed that. We did.
We did.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't know how well it's going to translate over to video, but we enjoyed it anyway. If you did, give us a subscribe. If you want to see more rubbish like this, so it's opening things up and enjoying opening things up.
Now he says rubbish, but he doesn't really mean it, because we do it anyway.
I don't. I've got 5 beard oils. I'm good.
I've got some more blue hair dye.
We'll do that again soon.
Yeah, when I can move.
I've got some better gloves as well.
I've set up too long now, you see.
Yeah. So we've got videos coming out 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So until next time, have a good one.
Bye. Be different.